Jack, where is my phone?
Did you check your bag?
Yes, I looked, but it's not there.
Did you see it on the table?
No, it's not on the table.
Maybe it's in the living room.
I already looked there.
Did you check the kitchen?
Not yet. I will check now.
I will come with you.
Thanks, Jack.
Look, is it on the chair?
No, not there.
Maybe it fell on the floor.
Oh, maybe.
I will look under the sofa.
Did you find it?
No, it's not under the sofa.
How about the bedroom?
Okay, let's go.
Look on the bed.
It's not here.
Check the small table near the window.
Wait, I see something.
Is it your phone?
Yes, it is here.
I'm glad you found it.
Thank you, Jack.
You're welcome.
I feel so silly.
Don't worry, it happens.
I always lose my phone.
Maybe keep it in your bag next time.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Or use a phone case with a clip.
That's smart.
Then you won't lose it.
Thank you for helping me.
Anytime, Emma.
I will be more careful next time.
Good.
That's a smart plan.
I feel happy now.
I am happy too.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome to our hotel.
Thank you. I have a reservation.
Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Laura Smith.
Yes, I see your reservation. One night, correct?
Yes, for one night.
Do you want a single or double room?
A single room, please.
Very well. Here is your key.
Thank you. What is my room number?
Your room is 305 on the third floor.
Okay, thank you.
Do you need help with your luggage?
Yes, please.
I will call someone to help you.
That's very kind. Thank you.
You are welcome. Here is the elevator.
Thank you. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Good. Is Wi-Fi available?
Yes.
Oh no. Emma, I forgot my key.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes, I checked my pockets. It's not there.
Did you look in your bag?
Yes, I looked, but nothing.
Maybe you left it at school.
Oh, that's possible.
Can you call someone at home?
My phone battery is low.
Don't worry. Use my phone.
Thank you, Emma. You are kind.
Who will you call?
I will call my sister.
Good idea. She may be at home.
Hello, Anna.
What did she say?
She said she is not home.
Oh no. What will you do?
Maybe I can wait outside?
It's cold here, Mark.
Yes, I feel cold already.
Let's go to the cafe near the house.
That's a smart idea.
We can wait there.
Okay, but what if no one comes home?
Someone will come later.
I hope so.
Next time, don't forget your key.
Yes, I must be careful.
Maybe keep an extra key in your bag.
Yes, that's a good plan.
Or give me one.
Maybe I will.
Then I can save you again.
You always save me, Emma.
That's what friends are for.
Thank you for helping me today.
No problem, Mark. Let's go get some hot tea.
Yes, let's go now.